Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from Bari, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
The tour traverses the historic heart of Bari, Bari Vecchia, along cobblestone lanes, passing by areas renowned for their traditional craftsmanship. Here, artisans skillfully knead dough to produce the distinctive orecchiette pasta, a culinary gem steeped in local legend and superstition. Join us for an epic guided mountain bike tour through the Mercadante forest, where single tracks and thrilling ascents await. This enchanting forest, nestled in the heart of the Merge region, offers a diverse array of terrains, including twisty single-track paths and challenging climbs and descents. Bari transcends its reputation as a soccer-centric metropolis, embracing both traditional charm and modern vibrancy. Nestled amidst ancient history and contemporary architecture, Bari weaves together the past and future, blending historic landmarks such as the Basilica di San Nicola with the relics of Saint Nicholas, alongside modern structures like Svevo Castello, which boasts Norman-era towers dating back to the 12th century. Bari, an elegant white town nestled along the Adriatic Sea, embodies a harmonious blend of sophistication reminiscent of southern Italy and tranquility, characteristic of smaller provincial areas. This enchanting locale is steeped in the mystical aura of St. Nicholas, whose influence permeates every aspect of life in Bari. The journey along the slower routes of Italy's southern heel offers an opportunity to explore lesser-known destinations within Puglia and Basilicata. Visitors will find themselves immersed in the rich tapestry of local cultures while enjoying scenic views of natural beauty intertwined with man-made structures.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.